Watch this video until the end, and you'll get a free guide. My first $1,000 online. Nothing happens instantly and without effort. You need to take action, try, make mistakes, and keep going. If you're ready to work, results will definitely come. I already have a channel that got monetized in just 2 months, and now I'm launching a new one to share my knowledge with you, teach you, and grow together. Let's talk about where you can actually make money with artificial intelligence today. 1. TikTok. Step 1. Choose a niche. It can be anything that interests people. Short life stories, true crime, finance and analytics, motivational videos. Next, create content. Videos, voiceovers, images. 2. YouTube. Short TikTok videos act as a hook, while on YouTube, viewers spend more time, watch longer videos, and bring revenue through ads and monetization. YouTube pays for views, and there's also ads and partner programs. We'll go into more detail about this in future videos. 3. Freelance on Upwork and other platforms. Clients need unique images and videos, and there are tons of these jobs. They appear every hour. You take the job and complete it much faster using AI. The most important thing, most people just watch and think, this is all fake, and do nothing. But somehow others are succeeding. Don't be one of them. Choose one path, take the first step, and in just a few weeks, you'll see your first results. The only question is, will you start now or put it off again? Write in the comments, I want it, and I'll send you the free guide, my first $1,000 online.